Hi and welcome to another video from DWC, and this is a bit of an experience of my weekend at Shuttleworth Old Warden in Bedfordshire. Here we are doing a little map as a zoom in as to where it is. So it's just north of, sort of northeast of London, just off of the A1, near a place called Biggleswade, about an hour and a half from where I live in South Essex. An amazing venue, absolutely perfect for air shows. It's tight, it's unique, it's got real history to it, and as you can see, amazing grounds as well. So I got there on the Friday and spent the whole weekend there camping with a lot of my mates, including the boys from the Vintage Aviation Echo. If you haven't got their third instalment, please check them out, it's absolutely incredible. And of course the real star of the show was the ME 109 Emil E4 Red 12, all the way from Germany. An incredible machine, and of course its UK debut after doing its main sort of debut at Le Fertelet in France. And well done to Jim for getting it. So here, of course, here's myself looking quite confused next to said ME 109E, and of course you haven't seen the videos of it being buttoned up. Now please have a check out on YouTube, some really intriguing video there. And of course an amazing lineup of Warbirds, sort of like we called it Legends Light last year, but in fact that's a disservice to the airshow. The airshow was incredible. Of course, a UK debut, a P-51D Francis Dell from the Flying Legends collection in Germany as well. An amazing looking machine, of course, part of the 78 fighter group based at Duxford. So here's Saturday the 27th of June. This is the show from the day. I missed a couple of bits out, including the opening glider act and an evening Spitfire display with the comment, but here we go. Hope you enjoy.
Known as a quarter clover, and as they come over the top they will perform the downwards bomb burst. Please put your hands together for Team Raven. But in reality, if it was called anything, it was the Mustang. Here is the P-51D. This was where the suggestion of fitting the Rolls-Royce Merlin into the story. In Royal Air Force Station.
You turn up in a sports car and do a power
War was declared. There were more planes in RAF service than any other type. British aircraft to cross over German territory after war was declared. Magnification undertaking reconnaissance of German naval movements. Mustang also here for its debut in a flying display in Britain.
So right at the end of the show, we were treated to a 4-ship fighter display involving the Shuttleworth Spitfire 5, the ME-109E, Fighter Aviation Limited's P-47G and the Flying Legends Collection P-51D. An incredible spectacle. I'll shut up now so let you enjoy it.
History in the making.
Holy shit.
Spitfire 9, Corsair we saw here last year, Harvard Stearman Cadet, and now also this aircraft entertaining us today.
So just as the star of the show landed, we were then left for an hour or so until the evening session, and this included 3 elements. So first up, the gorgeous Harbeck glider, which put on an amazing show. To be honest, I was bewildered watching it and didn't really record it until it landed. And then we were treated to a 4-ship of the Flying Balls all the way from Austria, featuring a B-25, P-38, F-4U Corsair and P-51D Mustang. Hope you enjoy.
Even closer together. Now the vertical tails mounted on the booms and a central nacelle carrying the pilot and the armament.
As always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little visit to Bedfordshire. Certainly an airshow you should support, and if you can get a chance, get to the Festival of Flight. Incredible job by Jim and the team. See you soon. Utter filth.